Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're making chicken birria for queso birria tacos. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Start by taking the seeds out of the pepper. After you're done reseeding the peppers, you're going to wash them. After the peppers are washed and the tomatoes are cut, you'll take this to the stove so we can boil it, and you'll add your chile de arbol. The next step is to cut the onions and garlic and add it to the crock pot. Once the tomatoes and the peppers are soft, you'll have to blend this and add all your seasoning. Once all the ingredients have been added to the crock pot, the chicken, the garlic, the onions, and the salsa that you made, it's now time to add the chicken stock or the chicken broth. Turn on the crock pot on low and let it cook for 4 hours. And that's how you make chicken birria in the crock pot. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.